everyone, thank you for joining this presentation. Today I'm going to introduce a brand new way to manage your time with our clock app. We're going to start with a brief introduction of the app and move on to the feasibility study and Scrum. Next, we will look at different software designs and software testing, and we'll also have a product demo at the end of the presentation. So let's begin. We have designed 14 additional features in comparison to traditional time management app available on the market. It covers your time management, personal well-being, and anything you can think of. And we're going to explore some of the unique features in the demo section. Let's take a look at different aspects of our feasibility study, starting with economics. The market is huge. According to the Growth Markets reports, the smart clock market has reached a market value of $735.32 million and is projected to reach $5,557.96 million by the beginning of 2030, with a compound annual growth rate of 25.2%. Not to mention, the current market value of sleep tracking related application is $2.2 billion and expected to increase by $1.4 billion at the rate of 10.4% within 5 years. This is a great opportunity. Before we get everything started, let's take a look at the projected costs and the projected annual operating costs. It seems a lot, but don't worry, we can get help from the government. There's countless resources from the government, such as the grant and funding supports that can reduce our costs. Also, we have different strategies to generate revenue, such as the cost per install, cost per mile, and in-app purchases, etc. The advertisements are well integrated to the app so users can have a positive user experience. For example, before your alarm song goes off, we can have a live read like, "Today's alarm is sponsored by ABC Company," following by the alarm song. And we do know with all these features, we are providing a lot, and users may be overwhelmed and have some security and privacy concerns. But don't worry, we have you covered. We'll implement proper protocols and policies, provide user guides, and conduct user testing and frequently review customer feedback to make sure users have the best experience. We have planned to complete the project within 12 weeks. However, if something goes wrong, for example, budget overrun, technical difficulty, or other external factors, etc., the end date will be adjusted accordingly. We have decided to deploy our clock app on various platforms, and this is a sneak peek of our tools that we will use to build this fantastic app. Now, let's take a look at our products backlog by sprints. They are categorized based on their functionality and similarity, and we have 9 sprints in total. This is the first sprint, second, third, fourth, number 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 in total. And this is our sprint 1 backlog from ID 1 to 4. As we can see, we get everything done on time. ID number 1 for modular alarms, ID number 2 for default alarms, 3 for group songs, 4 for list songs. Now onto our system designs. This is our system context diagram showing the interactions between admin and users and advertisers and financial institutions. This is our entity relationship diagram showing the relationship between the users and different features. These are different levels of data flow diagram for sprint 1. This is the level 1. This is the level 2. And this is the level 3. And this is the use case diagram for creating an alarm, creating a world clock, and joining a study common. And lastly, this is the sequence diagram to create an alarm. To ensure that the clock app meets the standards before introducing to the market, we have conducted series of tests. And we have TC represent test case, 01 representing the sprint number, and 01 to 10 representing the number of tests, the class ID number. So TC0101 to TC01110. This is TC0201 to TC0206 for 6 test classes. Sprint number 3 gets 16, 4 gets 16 again, 5 gets 5, 6 gets 6, 7 gets 16 test classes, 8 gets 7, 9 gets 7, and that's all. And this is the test procedure that we have. And this is an example of our test procedure for test case TC0101, the first test case for sprint 1. And after everything is tested, we generate a test report showing they all passed their tests. Finally, it is the project demo time. Here, I'm going to show some of the best features we have in the clock app. The first one is the modular alarms. Tired of scrolling through the list of alarms and to turn off 2 alarms for school? Introducing the modular alarm, where you can group your alarms in different modules based on need. You can group alarms for school, for work, for holiday, etc. And all you need to do is turn on and off that module, and everything in that alarm module will be set accordingly. The clock app is here to make your life easier. We also have a feature called the default alarm. Tired of making alarms one by one? With the default alarm, setting alarm is easier than ever. With a few clicks, you can easily create a number of alarm you need in a specific duration. For example, you can set a default alarm for school running off at 6 a.m. for every 5 minutes for 10th occurrence. This will automatically generate a list of alarms at 6 a.m., 6:05 a.m., 6:10 a.m., 6:15 a.m., 6:20 a.m., and 6:25 a.m., etc. Simple and fast, eh? And finding difficult to stay awake after alarm goes off? How about complete some tasks to turn off your alarms instead? We have designed a series of tasks that can wake you up and have your mind active and entertained. For example, math problems, retyping words, memory questions, and mini games, etc. All of these tasks can be configured to different levels of difficulty, numbers of stages, etc. And we will take a closer look at the mini game tasks. Our minigame is actually an interactive advertisement. This is one of the many ways that we incorporate advertisements that can provide positive user experience. Users are taking an active role to interact or search for the advertisements. This strategy is also used in our Your World store, which will be discussed later. AI calling is a groundbreaking feature that takes wake-up calls to a whole new level. With this feature, you can now start your lovely day with personalized AI-driven messages and conversation catered to your preferences. For example, AI Andrew is calling you to wake you up. The conversation might be something like, "Hey, do you know you can get a sunburn on a cloudy day? Get up! You're getting burnt!" And the conversation goes on and on until you're fully awake. To unlock special characters or add new customized characters, you can either earn points through our points reward system or have an in-app purchase. There are a lot of time zones in the world. How about getting your own time zone? Taking control of your time and rule the world. Your world is for you. This is one of a kind feature that allows you to build your own imaginary world with your creativity. This feature is not activated by default, and your world time is shown in the World Clock tab. In your world, you can define your own time system, build and shape your own world just the way you like it. For example, if you want to get rid of the 24-hour system and make it 100 hours a day, go ahead and do it. Similar to Minecraft, you can collect and utilize materials that match the environments you have created. You can earn points by using the app's features and use the points to buy materials for your world store. In your world store, for example, setting and running off the alarm would be 10 points, then completing tasks or selecting an alarm song would be 1 point, etc. Additionally, promotional materials are introduced to the store and users can use points to make purchase. Nonetheless, you can also bring your AI characters into your world for interactions like SimCity. The Clock app also provides an opportunity for you to connect with like-minded individuals pursuing similar goals and interests. Within the app, you can browse and join various focus groups or even create your own group. There are various categories and settings to help you find a group that best suits your needs. You can set a password, labels, and even how long the group will last. The host can set up privacy settings to limit the use of camera and audio. Members of the group can chat and encourage each other to become their best selves. We have mentioned the point reward system for a couple times. So what exactly it is? We employ a point reward system to foster user loyalty to the app, encouraging them to return daily and explore its features. We also provide different packages so users can speed up the process and unlock special features. We have various of packages to offer. For example, point packages that can multiply the points you earn in a specific period of time. We can have collection packages that gives new skins to your AI characters or even your user interface. We can also have enhancement packages that immediately unlock features or characters you desire. For the point system, you can earn points by completing daily, weekly, and monthly tasks, such as logging into your accounts, set alarms, and click on promotional materials in your world store and browse it for 30 seconds, etc. Users can also earn points by participating in events hosted by the professionals in the study common. We would invite different people to share their ideas and thoughts on specific topics once a month. Hopefully, users can have some takeaway from the events and improve their lifestyle. There are also massive number of points rewards if users have accomplished the goals and missions they have previously declared. This demonstrates our support for users in achieving their goals, and we have to back and always cheer for their success. With the points collected, users can now unlock special and upgraded features. That's all I have for today. Thank you for joining this presentation and hope you will enjoy our Clock app. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact me. And if you need additional support and resources, we have articles about our app and features at support.clock.com. And if you need additional support, please contact support@clock.com, where we are ready to serve you 24/7. And lastly, if you have other inquiries, please feel free to send a message to inquiries.clock.com. Thank you very much and have a great one. Bye-bye.